What if I told you this silk scarf didn't come from a boutique in Paris, but from your own hands, and maybe a little wine? Shocking, I know, but apparently, some things in life don't require a passport or a personal shopper. You can actually create your own luxurious silk scarf, one that looks like it belongs in a window on Rue Saint-Honoré, while sipping Merlot and pretending you're not totally obsessed with the result. And if you've ever flirted with the idea of launching your own label, consider this your starter pack. So stay till the end, because once you see how easy it is, you'll never look at retail the same way again. Okay, let's get into it, starting with a silk white scarf, obviously. We're not here for polyester energy. First step, a little mist magic. You want to lightly spray the silk to wake it up and get it prepped for color. Think of it like hydrating your skin before makeup. It makes everything go on smoother and look way more luxe. Now, we're going to mix a bit of water with our dye. This is really important because it softens the pigment, allowing us to control the intensity of the color. On silk, pure dye can look harsh or uneven, but once we dilute it slightly, it flows more smoothly and blends beautifully, especially on pre-dampened fabric. Oh, remember, gloves first, always. We love a bold statement, just not on our cuticles. Think of this step as your first whisper on the canvas. You start with the lightest shade, already mixed with water, because it's your base. It sets the tone without overpowering. Pour it gently, like you're letting color bloom on silk. Then, mist it with a bit of water. That little spray gives it movement, softness, elegance. Now pick your next shade, just a touch less than the first one. Gently pour it over, letting it kiss the color underneath, and then give it another light spritz. Remember, we're blending, not battling. Now, we move to your darkest pigment. Use a bit less than the previous two, just enough to create contrast without overwhelming the composition. Pour it gently over the existing colors and give it another light spray. This layering technique, light to dark, encourages a natural gradient and helps the dyes blend organically. That said, this isn't a rigid formula. Artistic expression is personal, so feel free to experiment. You may discover that the most compelling designs emerge when you trust your instincts. Alright, now grab another color. This one's gonna be full strength, no water added. Just drop it onto your design in little dots here and there. Since it's not diluted, it'll really pop and sit on top of the lighter washes underneath. This part's super fun because you can totally play with it. See how the bold color interacts with what you've already laid down. Honestly, there's no right or wrong way here. Go with what feels good to you and watch the magic happen. And of course, spray it. Once you're done painting, gently fold up your scarf and place it inside a plastic bag. Then, pop it in the microwave for about 2 to 3 minutes on medium heat. This helps set the color beautifully. Just be sure the bag isn't fully sealed. We want a little air to escape. And of course, no metal. Keep an eye on it while it heats, and once it's done, let it cool down before opening. Once you take your scarf out of the plastic, you'll need a bucket or basin to rinse it. Just fill it with water and gently swish the scarf around to get the extra dye out. After the first rinse, pour out the water and fill it again with clean water. This time, give it a gentle massage, really work the fabric a bit, and rinse it again. Repeat that process until the water runs clear and there's no more color coming out of the scarf. Once it's clean, lay the scarf out flat between 2 sheets of paper or parchment and gently iron it to smooth out the wrinkles and fully lock in the design. Now comes the most delicate step, embellishments. Using metallic paints with precision tips, we begin adding intricate gold accents and fine lines. And of course, you'll also need a fine-tipped brush to gently spread the paint and shape it just the way you like. In the final step, Place the scarf between two sheets of paper and press it with an iron. Make sure the iron is set to medium heat so the paper doesn't stick to the fabric and the colors set properly. Told you. This could totally be a gift, or honestly, sell them. Launch your own mini scarf brand if you want. So if you're feeling inspired, like, comment, and subscribe for more elevated DIY ideas. Your next fave look might just come from your own hands.